Welcome to Dark Creation Studios and Happy New Year everyone. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to draw a scarf, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to start with is a circle. I'm just joking, we're not starting with the circle this time. This time we're going to start drawing our oval, as you can see right here. Next on the left we'll draw 3 curves coming down, and it kind of look like a squiggly line. Alright, nice. Now we could go over to the right and we will do the same thing. So just like that. Okay, so now back on the left we will draw this triangle shape just to connect it back to the right hand side. And with this scarf we thinking like it wrapping around a person's neck, so this kind of look like it draping across the neck, if that makes sense. Now we can move on to adding in the folds. So notice as we play in the folds we kind of come in slightly down with it, following the initial shape. And then we could put in these 2 curves right here, which part we started our oval. Alright, nice. Alright, so moving on, we'll be drawing more of the scarf. So this will be the part that is draping underneath. So we'll come down with these 2 lines. And then right here we'll draw a 3rd line. And the reason for that, we're going to kind of curve at the bottom and then curve again to connect those. And notice how one look longer than the other, but it gives it that nice fold and helps it look less flat. Alright, so moving on, we will draw the other part of the scarf that draping down. This time you'll see it a little bit in the back, because the part that we had draw first, that is that part that just drew over in the back. So we're coming down, doing a similar thing to what we do to the left side. And this one will come down a bit longer. And at the bottom here, instead of curving outwards a bit, we're going to curve in, just to give it some difference. Alright, nice. And with this you could say you're finished with your scarf, but we're going to add a bit more. So you're adding a little bit more folds here. And then down at the bottom, and just remember guys, you guys know how to add this, but we'll be adding in the fringes. So it's just these lines coming down like this. It's just like strands, you know, tassels. And we'll just be speeding through the process so you could see the final results. Alright, nice. Now we could add in our final bits of detail, so we'll put in more folds. And then we'll also put in more folds on top right here, which part the scarf wrapping around in the inside here. And don't worry about the little part of the scarf peeking out right here on the left. That will be hidden once we start inking it. And speaking of inking, let's kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the inking. As you can see, clean. And if anybody watching this have a winter which part they at, you know, we hope you guys stay warm. But with that, bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.